In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove volume indicator in TradingView. If your chart feels a bit crowded and you want more space to focus on price action, removing the volume indicator is a quick way to declutter. The volume pane is that row of vertical bars, usually sitting at the bottom of your chart. It reflects how many shares, contracts, or units were traded during each bar or candle. While it's useful, sometimes you don't need it visible all the time, especially when you're analyzing structure, drawing levels, or presenting a clean screenshot. Here's how to do it in the simplest way possible. First, move your mouse cursor over the area where the volume bars appear on your chart. You don't need to click anything yet, just hover. When you're in the right place, you should see that the indicators panel becomes active. This tells TradingView you're working with that specific section of the chart. Next, guide your cursor up to the top left corner of that same volume panel. You'll see the indicator's name there. Typically it reads Volume, along with a small row of icons that appears when you hover. These icons usually include a settings gear, a visibility toggle, and a trash can. If you don't see them immediately, make sure you're hovering directly over the indicator's title area, not the main price chart or another panel. Now, click the trash can icon. The moment you do, TradingView removes the volume indicator from your chart. You'll notice the chart automatically resizes to use the extra space, giving you a cleaner, more focused view of price. There's no extra confirmation dialog in most layouts, so the change is instant. A couple of quick notes to keep everything smooth. This walkthrough is for the desktop browser interface. If you're using the mobile app, the layout may look a little different, but the idea is the same. Access the indicator's title area and choose the delete option. If your chart is very zoomed out or compact, you might need to move the cursor carefully to reveal those icons. Hovering precisely over the indicator's name is key. And if your chart still looks busy afterward, that simply means other indicators remain. The same hover and trash approach applies to them as well. And there you go. Your chart is now cleaner and easier to read. That's all.